Hello, soldier. Master Sergeant Half-Mast Mechanic here. I work with PS Magazine, and I've passed out a whole passel of maintenance and supply information over the past 60 years. Today I'm going to tell you about a change that will affect the entire Army, from company-sized units to managers in the Pentagon. We need to talk about how we can better distribute equipment across our great Army, and how the Lead Materiel Integrator will help us do this. Now, let's get started. The Army has a challenge. There are more equipment requirements than there is supply. That means the Army has to get the right equipment to the right place at the right time. To make things even tougher, there are a bunch of troops managing equipment found in a variety of separate piles. In fact, there are so many separate piles of equipment that it's hard to track it all at the Army level. Knowing who has what, and knowing its readiness state, is critical to our Army. You soldiers need your equipment, and there are a number of documents that tell us what equipment you need, and in what priority. This creates your equipment demand. To help find the equipment and get it to you, the Secretary of the Army gave my bosses at the Army Materiel Command, AMC, the mission of being the Lead Materiel Integrator, the manager of Army materiel redistribution. Our Secretary also directed that all the supply data would come from one place, the Army's Logistics Information Warehouse. The Commanding General at Army Materiel Command assigned Army Sustainment Command to head up the Lead Materiel Integration effort. Those soldiers are saddled with the responsibility to make informed equipment sourcing decisions. To help them out, my unit, LOGSA, developed the Lead Materiel Integrator Decision Support Tool. We call it the LMI DST. Using some fancy math, it matches validated, prioritized equipment demands with available Army inventory in depots, non-deployed units, and other sources. It can also tell you different ways you can solve tough equipping distribution problems. The options will help our equipment managers consider the impact of delivery times and transportation costs and the long-term effects of any decisions. When the LMI DST is finished, it will help our Army achieve the best possible equipment readiness and supply rates, improve visibility of equipment across the Army, and enable procurement officers to make better decisions on how much kit we need. We'll really get better at reducing transportation costs and improving the quality and reliability of Army data and decision-making. What does LMI DST do for you? It can increase the Army's overall readiness by effectively redistributing materiel. The Lead Materiel Integrator's success is all about making informed and well-coordinated materiel distribution decisions. The LMI DST will be the means of making sure that you get the right equipment in the right place at the right time. Here's to you, soldier, and the LMI's success. Hooah!